Hello guys, everyone. I am doing a review on the Profit and Tools Titanium Microneedles Derma Roller. Okay, and here's the Derma Roller that I use. Okay, it's a 0.5mm Derma Roller. And why do I buy this? It's because, people says online, the experts said that if you have problem connecting your hair and the hair that you want to connect, the part on your face, you're having a hard time growing it, like here, 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 you know what I mean? Or like on my temple, or on my eyebrow. Use the Derma Roller, because what happened is that the Derma Roller, has this 0.5mm needles, okay, that will penetrate into your skin. And what happened is it will cause your, wherever the needles penetrate, it will cause follicles to make hair, okay? To give birth to hair. So you have hair growth. So what I do is I use it in the morning and I use it at night. Every morning and every night is like an exercise for me, okay? It's like an exercise for me. In the morning, I use it, repetition. How many times? 20 times, okay? And how many times do I do it? 3 times. Okay, so repetition 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay? So I do it 20, okay? And then what happened is I do this side, okay? 2, 3, 20 times. Okay? After I finish this 20 times, I will do down, up and down 20 times. Okay? And then I will do it, okay, like this 20 times. And I will repeat that, the same thing with this side. Okay? This 20 times, this 20 times, this 20 times. Okay? Now I will do the same thing, and so I will repeat it 3 times. Okay? Then afterwards, with my eyebrow, I will, okay, eyebrows, guys, don't go, okay, one this way, and then go back down like that, no. Go 1 time this way, take your Derma Roller, and then go back to the beginning. 1 time, lift your Derma Roller, go back to the beginning, okay, 1 time, okay. Don't go up and down, up and down. The reason why is because if you do it on your eyebrow and you got hair on your eyebrow, and if you go 1 time up and then you go 1 time down, your eyebrow hair might get caught up on the Derma Roller, and if you pull it too hard enough, your eyebrow might be pulled out, and you don't want your hair eyebrow to be pulled out. You want to grow more so you can get thicker eyebrow. So to take care of it, okay, and this because I learned from mistakes, okay, I used to do that, and I noticed that I lost a couple eyebrows because of that, going 1 and then I go back 2, okay, don't do that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20 times, 3 times, okay? And you do the same thing with the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20 times, okay? Go back, go up, and then lift your Derma Roller and go back to the beginning, go up. Like that, you'll strengthen the roots of all the follicles of what you have, the eyebrow that you have, okay? And if you do it enough, okay, you will have newborn follicles, new hair growing, okay? So be persistent and don't lose hope, okay? There are a lot of people out there that are doing the same thing as what I'm doing, and they have, got to their satisfaction, okay? And now, my beard, I would do the same thing. I would go down like this, okay, 20 times, and then I would cross 20 times like this. I would go down like this 20 times, okay? And it feels so good. It feels so good, guys. It feels so good. Why? Because you're using minoxidil. And minoxidil, when you use it on your skin, it dries your skin, right? And when it dries your skin, it causes your skin to itch. So instead of using your nails to actually scratch the heck out of your, fish, your skin, right? Use this. It's like nails, but it's actually needles, okay? And when you do this, you're helping your skin to actually break out more newborn hair. You see what I mean? Man, I love doing this. I do it every day, morning and night. And there are sometimes when I itch, I just reach out with this and I just do it, right? Now, the beard, the mustache is the same thing. Wherever you notice you don't have that much hair and you want to connect, that's where you concentrate, okay? So you do this, like I'm concentrating on this 20 times, and then I go like this, right? Then I go like this. Okay. And I would actually concentrate on, the attachment where I don't have the goatee. And I would concentrate on that, 20 times, 20 times, like this, like this. Yep. And I would keep on doing it. Sometimes it's not even 20 times. Sometimes I do it 50, hundreds, you know what I mean? I just love the feeling. It feels good. It feels good. And, maybe a couple more months, I'm ready for the 1mm. You know what I mean? I like to upgrade, I heard that the 1mm and the 1.25mm, very good, you know what I mean? It's longer. So, I can tell you that I don't know if it actually helped grow the hair, but I take the guy's word for it, the guys who have experience with the Derma Roller, that it really helped grow hair where hair are very slow to grow, okay? I'm doing it every day, I love it, so, thank you for watching. If you like it, give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.